Hey there, welcome to Rise and Receive. This is part 2 in your 2-day exploration on being spacious. And so today I want to talk about the different kinds of space that we play with, because space is the invitation and guarding your space is what we're talking about today, okay? These 2 days. So there's the space of your awareness, there's the space of your body, the space of your emotions, your heart, the space of your soul. There's also spaces in your physical world, the space of your relationships, the space of your work. Okay, there's physical spaces, there's internal spaces. So one of the important spaces that we explore when we're learning how to receive is the space of our body and allowing the sensations in our bodies to flow. So uncertainty brings up feelings, and most of the time what we do is, instead of actually nurturing the feelings that come with uncertainty, which can be fear and anxiety, we try to fix ourselves or solve the feelings as if they're problems, which is in the realm of doing and hunting and pursuing. So one of the most powerful things you can do is learn how to soothe yourself. And so I'm going to teach you a very simple, really powerful way to relax your nervous system when you're feeling nervous or anxious about the unknown and uncertainty. So you can add this to your 2-day experimentation around being spacious. If you're feeling any antsiness, fear, or anxiety about not having certainty, not knowing, okay, one of the ways to keep easy momentum activated is to nurture and soothe yourself instead of getting up in your head and trying to figure things out. So this is called breath regulation. And all we're going to do is take 5 deep yawns. Okay. So a good thing to do is notice on a scale of 0 to 10, if you're feeling anxious or discomfort, how strong that is. 10 is the highest, 0 is I'm neutral. Just take a moment to check in with yourself. Okay. And now we're going to take 5 deep yawns. So it's just fake yawning. And this gives your body and your nervous system the message that it's safe to relax. Okay. So here we go. And as you come down from that yawn, just let yourself become aware of the sensations in your body and breathe. Let's take another deep yawn and a stretch. And as you come down from that yawn, notice what sensations are present with you now, and simply let them be here. Now take another deep yawn. As you come down from that yawn, take another deep breath. And whatever you become aware of, thoughts, feelings, or sensations, do your best to let them be here with gentleness, kindness, and permission. This is a way that you are receiving kindness and nurturing right now. Now take another deep yawn and a stretch. And as you come down from that yawn, see if you can let everything be as it is. Take another breath. Do your best to relax into this present moment. Sometimes when you start yawning, they start to come by themselves naturally. You start yawning more. Sometimes your eyes start to water. It's all good. Your body's relaxing. And let's just take one more deep yawn and a stretch. And as you come down from that yawn, just give yourself permission to simply be. And be. And be. I am willing to discover the manifesting power of caring for my space. This is the space of your body. This is the space of your awareness. Yes, you get to receive simply because you exist. So I look forward to seeing you at tip number 6 tomorrow. Have a great day.